Hi, Chris here from Dynojet. In this video, I'd like to point out a common point of failure on Polaris CVT clutches, specifically on the primary assembly. There are 3 rollers that ride along the weight arms of the primary assembly, and these rollers commonly wear out. There's no bearings in these rollers. This is an example of a bad roller. You'll notice a lot of pitting and a lot of flat spots, and also if you kind of fiddle with them, you can kind of hear them rattling around. That shouldn't be like that. They should be nice and round and smooth, and they should roll smoothly. If you find that your rollers are worn, do not install our weight arms with worn rollers. You will just be pulling this back apart and replacing the weight arms very soon. Now, replacing just the rollers requires special tools, and it's almost more cost effective to replace the entire primary assembly. Also, if the rollers are worn, chances are there's other parts in this assembly that are worn as well. If there's any questions about any of this, don't hesitate to contact us.